Hello, Mike from Orchard Trailers in Whately, Massachusetts here. Today we're featuring our 2023 Rockwood Signature fifth wheel. This is the 8291 CL model, 37 feet, just over 10,000 pounds as you see it. This is a brand new leftover, never been titled, never been sold, full factory warranties. Beautiful trailer. This is all aluminum. No wood framing for the structure of this trailer at all. It's one of the few in the industry that features Dexter torsion axles underneath it. One of the better alternatives from leaf springs. Goodyear tires and a tire pressure monitoring system are included as well. This unit has 3 slide outs, theater seating, 1 and 2 tri-fold sofas. This gives you a queen bed. This one gives you a full bed. So you have sleeping for a lot of people here, and there's room to walk between them. Huge smart TV. Fireplace. Amazing panoramic windows on this side, which is your camping side. You get nice day-night shades, so light filtering shade and a complete blackout shade. Freestanding table, huge 12-volt refrigerator. This is 11 cubic feet. Gets cold very quickly. Amazing pantry. And there's cabinets all over this thing. Residential microwave. Lots of counter space. Ceiling fan. Dual air conditioners. Solar power on the roof. Automatic leveling system. Residential size shower. Porcelain toilet. Multiple max air fans here with the covers over them. There's one there and there's one out there as well. Stainless steel sinks throughout. There's your second air conditioner. King size bed. Washer dryer prep. Good for a combo unit that takes up less room. Lots of wardrobe space. Second TV is included. Lots of wardrobe storage. One of the strongest roofs in the industry on these. These are all vacuum bonded laminate construction. And a residential 5/8 tongue and groove plywood flooring. This trailer is built for the long haul. So please come see us at Orchard Trailers. Again, this is a brand new 2023 leftover. Never been sold, never been titled. On sale right now for $68,995 at Orchard Trailers in Whately, Mass.